Hola! Welcome to this lesson. We're going to learn 5 more colors today. Let's go! Vámonos! Can you say vámonos? That means let's go! Los colores dos. Welcome to the colors 2. We're going to learn more colors today. Azul. Azul means blue. Can you say azul? Verde. Verde means green. Can you say verde? Gris. Gris means gray. Can you say gris? Negro. Negro means black. Can you say negro? Blanco means white. Blanco. Can you say Blanco? Great job. Now let's take a moment and we're going to play a game. I'm going to show you a picture with one of our friends and you try to find the color that we say, okay? Let's practice and have fun. Our friend Maria is outside and she is looking for something azul. Do you remember what azul means? It means blue. Do you see something blue? That's right, the sky is blue or azul. Our friend Pedro is looking for something verde. Do you see anything verde or green? That's right, the trees, the grass, and the hills are all verde or green. Our friend Jose is looking for something gris. Gris means gray. Do you see some gris items in this room? That's right, there are many different shades of gris in this video. Sophia is looking for something negro. Negro means black. Do you see anything negro? That's right. The television or the TV is negro. Pablo is looking for something blanco. Blanco means white. Do you see something that is blanco? That's right. The rocket ship is blanco, the building behind Pablo is blanco, and the solar panel is blanco. Great job.
Let's sing a fun little song to help us remember what we just learned.
Let's learn 5 colors today. Vamos a aprender los colores hoy. The colors, los colores. Here we go. Aquí vamos. Azul means blue. Azul means blue. Point up to the sky. Verde means green. Verde means green like the grass. Wave high. Let's learn 5 colors today. Vamos a aprender los colores hoy. The colors, los colores. Here we go. Aquí vamos. Gris means gray. Gris means gray like a cloudy day. Negro means black. Negro means black like the night. Hooray! Let's learn 5 colors today. Vamos a aprender los colores hoy. The colors, los colores.
This completes our lesson on colors for today. I'll see you tomorrow to learn more colors.